Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to fix your audio not working on your PC or laptop. So in order to begin, you'll have to first, there are a couple of steps that you'll have to do. So first thing you have to do is go into this bar here and see if the volume is completely on. Okay, if it's like here, it's not going to show any audio. You have to just pull the slider all the way to the 100% mark so you can hear the audio. If that doesn't help, what you can do is go into settings and type in sound on the search bar, and I'm going to click on sound settings, and you can see choose where to play the sound. If you have any headphones connected, the speaker is not going to show any audio or uh, play any audio, so you have to choose the right uh, device for playing sound. So if it's the speaker that's not working, you'll have to click on the speaker, make it on the speaker, and if you have a headphone connected, it should be set on the headphone. Okay, so and you can see you can just add the volume here, and you can also do a test to see if the volume is working. As you can see, it works perfectly for me. You can also change the bitrate and everything from here, so it doesn't have any option here. So in my case, if you have, you can change that and see if it's working. Okay, and go back, and now you can see you have to make sure that the mono audio is off. Okay, and yeah, if you that's pretty much it. So we can just also go to here, and you have see this one, you can see troubleshoot common sound problems, and I will click on output devices, and the Windows will automatically search for any problems in the sound drivers, and it will get you fixed. Okay, I don't have an internet connection right now onto this application, so that's why it's not working. In your case, you can just click on the output devices, and it will just run some troubleshooting, and it will just work perfectly for you. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.